Welcome to Tata Chem DAV Public School Mithapur online classes. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi, your maths teacher for class 5. Today we are going to start chapter 3, multiples and factors. In this chapter our topics are multiples, even numbers and odd numbers, LCM and some examples. Multiples. What is multiples? The meaning of a multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. Or in another way, for getting multiples of a number, we recite a multiplication table of that number. So, multiples is equal to tables. For example, multiples of 5 is 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, 5 times 3 is equal to 15, 5 times 4 is equal to 20, and the list would continue forever. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. Let us find the multiples of 7. Everyone know the table of 7. So multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, and so on. Again, let us find the multiples of 2, and everyone know the table of 2. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. So we conclude that every number is a multiple of 1 and number itself, and 0 is the multiple of every number, because any digit multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Hope you understand multiples. Let's solve some questions. Question number 1. Write next 4 multiples of the first number in each case. A, 10, 20, 30 and dash. See the question carefully. It is a table of 10. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, and the answer is 40, 50, 60, 70. Next, B1. 12, 24, 36. It is a table of 12. So the answer is 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, and 12 sevens are 84. Question number 2. Complete the following. A. Fourth multiple of 7 is dash. We know that 4 sevens are 28. So the answer is 28. Number B. 8 multiples of 9 is dash. And we know that 8 nines are 72. So the answer is 72. Question number 3. Write the multiples of 6 between 20 and 40. Everyone know the table of 6. So the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. But the question is, write the multiples of 6 between 20 and 40. So the answer is 24, 30 and 36. Question number 4. Identify the multiple of 8. And the numbers are 32, 16, 19, 40, 46, 56, 88 and 80. 32 is come in table of 8? Yes. 8 fours are 32. Then 16. 16 is come in table of 8? Yes. 8 twos are 16. Then 19. 19 is come in table of 8? No. Then 40. 40 is come in table of 8? Yes. 8 fives are 40. Then 46. 46 is come in table of 8? No. Then 56. 56 is come in table of 8? Yes. 8 sevens are 56. Then 88. 88 is come in table of 8? Yes. 8 elevens are 88. Then 80. And everyone know 8 tens are 80. So the answer is 32, 16, 40, 56, 88 and 80. Hope you better understand multiples. Our next topic is even numbers and odd numbers. Let's start with even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are multiples of 2, or any number that can be exactly divided by 2 as an even number. For example, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. The smallest even number is 0. Note, in even numbers, one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 2000 is an even number? Yes, because the one's digit is 0. 42 is an even number? Yes, because the one's digit is 2. 164 is an even number? Yes, because the one's digit is 4. 95 is an even number? No, because the one's digit is 5. 1238 is an even number? Yes, because the one's digit is 8. Hope you better understand even numbers. Our next topic is odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not multiples of 2, or any number that cannot be divided exactly by 2 is an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. The smallest odd number is 1. Note, in odd numbers, one's digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 only. For example, 2341 is an odd number? Yes, because the one's digit is 1. 426 is an odd number? No, because the one's digit is 6. 163 is an odd number? Yes, because the one's digit is 3. 59 is an odd number? Yes, because the one's digit is 9. 1237 is an odd number? Yes, because the one's digit is 7. Hope you understand odd numbers. Let us solve some questions. Question number 1. Identify the even numbers, and the numbers are 4, 7, 18, 32, 19, 77, 46, 20, 43, 51 and 25. We know that in even numbers, one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 only. So we easily identify the even number. So the answer is 4, 18, 32, 46 and 20. Question number 2. Identify the odd numbers, and the numbers are 45, 24, 88, 97, 20, 13, 12, 51, 86, 19 and 68. We know that in odd numbers, one's digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 only. So we easily identify the odd numbers. So the answer is 45, 97, 13, 51 and 19. Question number 3. 12,345 is an dash number, and the options is even or odd. See, the last digit is 5, so it is an odd number. Question number 4. 178 is an dash number, and the option is even or odd. See, the last digit is 8, so it is an even number. Question number 5. The smallest odd number is dash, and the option says 1 or 0. So the answer is 1. Question number 6. A number which is a multiple of dash is called an even number, and the option is 1 or 2. And the answer is 2. Hope you better understand odd numbers and even numbers. Let us learn about the least common multiples, or you can call it LCM too. Let us understand the meaning of term common multiple. When two or more numbers have the same numbers as their multiples, those multiples are said to be common multiples. Now let us see what do we mean by the least common multiple. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of those numbers. To understand it in better way, let us solve an example. Find the least common multiple of 6, 8 and 12. We will follow the 3-step process to find the LCM. Step 1. List the multiples of all the given numbers. Everyone know the table of 6, 8 and 12. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Finally, the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Step 2. Identify the common multiples of all the given numbers. The common multiples of 6, 8 and 12 are 24, 48 and so on. Step 3. Write the least common multiple of all the given numbers. Here the least common multiple is 24. Thus LCM is 24, which is the smallest number of the common multiples. Now let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 9 and 18. Everyone know the table of 9 and 18. So multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and so on. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, 180 and so on. Here the common multiples of 9 and 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72 and so on. Thus the LCM of 9 and 18 is 18. Now let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 12, 14 and 84. Everyone know the table of 12, 14 and 84. So multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168 and so on. Multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140, 154, 168 and so on. Multiples of 84 are 84, 168, 252, 336, 420, 504, 588, 672, 756, 840 and so on. So the common multiples of 12, 14 and 84 are 84, 168 and so on. Thus the LCM of 12, 14 and 84 is 84. Now let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 5, 6 and 10. Everyone know the table of 5, 6 and 10. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on. So the common multiples of 5, 6 and 10 are 30, 60 and so on. Thus the LCM of 5, 6 and 10 is 30. Now I am sure all of you must wondering why we did not list 0 as a multiple for any of the number. That is because we did not consider 0 when we have to find the LCM. Otherwise, the LCM of all the numbers would always be 0. Hope you better understand the LCM. Remember student, it is very important to learn the tables to find the multiples and least common multiples. And it is very important to practice more and more sum to build confidence. If you have textbook, please solve all the question of lesson 3, worksheet 1 to 4 in your Maths CW because practice make a man perfect. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.